So guys, this is the tower work light. So you can charge this one. You have USB power, USB outlets. This one, the panel is super bright, 360 lighting, multifunction, just super bright. So this is the outlet. See, there's a lot of outlet. You can use this one if you don't have any uh, lights in your house, emergency lights. See, compress, and there's also here connection. So this is the example. You can charge also your phone, and this is the box. Super bright light, 360. See, electable light panels, dimming, multifunctional work light. It's beautiful, right? This is the one. This Koda 9,000 lumens. It's beautiful, right? And this is the one. You can use this one while working. See, in the dark. 60. And the price on this is 49. See, 49.99, so almost 50 plus because of the tax. Also, there's a lot of available stocks here. It's a good price. See, so you can connect this one. Can I connect this one here? So we're not allowed to connect this, but there's an example there. See, it's good, right? It's beautiful. 9,000 lumen. Perfect.